Oh, I am excited for this one. Today, we have a quick turnaround salvage mission for a couple of my most favorite people in the whole world. My aunt and uncle, the people who originally called me Chop. In fact, you know what? You hear my aunt at the end of every single one of my YouTube videos. Let's listen.
That's beautiful, Chop.
It's gotta get done today, so let me show you the patient. This is the impeller off a second stage of a snowblower. And the issue? It's broke its welds and come off its shaft. Now, anytime you fix something that spins, of course, that presents certain challenges, and they usually didn't break because they were made very well to start with. But the good news, this is going to involve problem solving, welding, and sandblasting, some of my favorite things. Let's get started. Drum roll, please! We've blasted, we've wire brushed, we're almost to my favorite part. Anybody who's watched me for a little while knows I love the welding. But before I got into that, I wanted to show you a crack I found on here that I wouldn't have detected if I hadn't sent it through the blast cabinet. Check this out. Alright people, time to embrace the sketchiness. Check this out. Look at that crack there. These stress cracks here and here. I'll tell you, I'm losing my confidence with this for sure, but hood time's good time. I'm getting some welding in today, and we'll send it back to my uncle. If it works for him, great. If not, had some fun fixing it. While I'm waiting for that to cool down a little bit, I can tell you this with confidence, there's gonna be no weld porn in this fix. Those other welds are nasty, that metal's nasty, it's got tons of contaminants in it. We're just hoping that it holds together at this point. Ugly. For as twisted as that was, my mind is blown. This might just work out. Well, I think it's pretty safe to say there's not an Instagram worthy weld in this one here. And truthfully, I'm not even gonna know if this works out until my uncle hooks up to his machine and lets me know. So what I'll do is, I understand it's kind of a story without an end. I'll pin a comment as soon as I find out if this worked out or not, let you guys know. And while you're down there, hey, listen, troll the heck out of me. I'm sure there's a million things I did wrong or could have done different with this, so let me know about it. And while you're on your way down there, make sure you subscribe and ring the notification bell. Oh, and check out the description. I'm gonna put a link to these TIG gloves. Defiant Metal, Justin Voss sells these. Way too much awesome in these gloves for what he's charging for them. I'm not sponsored, they're just awesome gloves. So check that out. And on that note, that's a wrap on this one. All my behind the scenes content goes up on Instagram, so check me out over there. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.
That's beautiful, Chop.